Hey, and welcome into this video. I forgot to shoot an intro for this one, but yeah, I'm doing it this way. So in this video you'll see me struggling putting back the rubber mount or the rubber protective thingy around the axle. I have, however, thought about a different approach, but I will try that in another video, I think. Hope you enjoy this video and see you in the next one. Okay, so it's a new day, and I'll be installing the rubber sleeve on the axle now. Just to get some more room, I'll remove these air lines. I'll be replacing those as well. They are not broken, I think, but yeah, there's a lot of stuff going on there, but that will be in a different video. I'll show you guys what's going on there. Basically there's a hole in one of the metal airlines, so I'm going to replace that, and yeah, it's connected to those, so I think might as well do all the brake lines so that it's all good. So yeah, first up, removing those. I already cleaned the excess old sealant away. There's a little bit left on the bottom there, but it's on the inside, so it should be fine. I could not get it off, so yeah. So I'll be applying new sealant, putting on the rubber axle protector, and putting back the clamps to hold it in place. Alright, so that's too loose. I will see if I can get this adapter out. But maybe, yeah, I will see if I can get them out, but not right now. I think I will need a vise for that, and then I can do it a bit better. So now there's one left, that's this one right here. That's for the central tire inflation system. Goes all the way to the back into the axle. And once that's out, then I can flip them over to the other side and we can work from there. Alright, so all hoses are now gone. So now we have a lot of room for activities. So we can put on some sealant and then install the rubber mount back. Okay, so for this I'm using high temperature silicone like packing glue. You can also use it like on your oil pan and stuff like that. So I cut the tip a bit. Basically what I will do is I will just put it around here. The entire ring is now covered, and this ring as well. So now I can put on the rubber hose again. Okay, so this side also has a groove in it, so I will need to fill that with the same packing glue as well. But I will do that at the end when it's on, because right now I feel like I might be struggling a bit to get it on, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, so that's step one. Now it's over at least. Now I need to get this edge right here over the lip right here and the bottom as well. And then it should be smooth sailing from there. Alright, so it can be on. Now I need to seal it all up. Alright, sadly that didn't go to plan. I'm not sure what I did wrong, but what I could see is that the back part of the rubber, it was not properly seated, so I think this is definitely a two-man job. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.